So let's start with retail and Target's surprise quarter. The big box retailer blew past every Wall Street estimate forecast thrown at it. And that's not something that you hear very often when it comes to retail, which has seen a number of traditional stores struggle to figure out what consumers want. Target soared 20%, its best one-day gain ever. Its market cap is now above $50 billion for the first time, and shares are nearly 4 times higher today than they were in 2008. Courtney Reagan takes a look at what Target is getting right.
Target's quarterly results once again show that its 3-year turnaround strategy is working. Store traffic is up. Online sales grew 34%. Both led to stronger than expected comparable sales growth. The retailer's same-day online order fulfillment options, Drive Up, Pick Up, and Shipped delivery service more than doubled their sales in a year. Proof shoppers are increasingly using both Target's website and stores together. Most retail experts agree Target's management team has done a good job executing a strategy that's resonating with shoppers, but a strong U.S. consumer also contributes to Target's performance. On a media call, I asked CEO Brian Cornell how he views the economy and consumer. Cornell's answer, quote, "As I have said for some time now, we continue to see a healthy consumer environment. Consumer confidence remains strong. There's been a reduction in fuel prices, which we think is important for consumers. Unemployment remains low and wages are growing."
So you are also seeing some of the biggest retailers getting incremental share from some of the smaller retailers. We probably think those trends will continue, but you couple that with a broadly healthy consumer environment and the big retailers doing better, and I think you can continue to see those big retailers continue to outperform.
There are categories that they serve that are still challenged. Apparel has a glut of inventory across the sector. Consumer electronics suffers from a lack of newness. And so the fact that they're going to have to navigate that does present some challenge. But what Target has shown for the last several quarters is that they're up to the challenge.
And like other retailers, Target will be dealing with new tariffs on Chinese-made clothing, shoes, toys, and electronics in September and December. On the earnings call, Cornell acknowledged it creates, quote, uncertainty and complexity, but said Target is confident in its ability to navigate through it. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.